Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some exciting news about Canon's upcoming camera that has been making waves in the photography and videography communities. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is rumored to be launching soon, and it's shaping up to be one of the year's most anticipated hybrid mirrorless cameras. But with all these advancements, could it spell the end for the highly anticipated EOS R5 Mark II? Let's dive deep into everything we know so far about the R6 Mark III, its potential features, release timeline, and how it stacks up against its competitors. Canon EOS R6 Mark III. A game changer in the hybrid camera market? The Canon EOS R6 Mark III has been at the center of leaks and rumors, with its expected release set for the second quarter of 2025. Based on previous Canon releases, the timeline suggests a launch similar to the original Canon EOS R5, which went through multiple rumored dates before finally being announced on July 17, 2024. However, industry insiders suggest that Canon will stick to its schedule this time, and the R6 Mark III is unlikely to face any significant delays beyond mid-2025. As Canon refines its lineup, the R6 Mark III is expected to be a significant step up from its predecessor, the R6 Mark II, while incorporating key features from higher-end models like the EOS R3, R5, and flagship R1. With an increasingly competitive mirrorless camera market, Canon seems to be aiming at solidifying its place against rivals like the Sony a7 IV, Nikon Z6 II, and upcoming Nikon Z6 III. Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Expected features and upgrades. 1. Powerful new sensor and processing capabilities. One of the most exciting upgrades in the R6 Mark III is the rumored 24-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, the same technology found in the Canon EOS R3. When paired with the latest Digic-X processor, the camera will deliver outstanding image quality with improved speed and responsiveness. This powerful combination will make the R6 Mark III ideal for photographers who need fast burst shooting and videographers looking for high dynamic range and low light performance. 2. Enhanced image stabilization and autofocus. Canon is expected to incorporate 8.5 stops of internal stabilization, a feature also seen in the EOS R5. This will be a major advantage for handheld shooting, especially in low-light conditions. The improved AI-driven autofocus system will be capable of recognizing and tracking subjects with greater accuracy, whether it's people, animals, or vehicles. Canon's dual-pixel AF2 technology will likely receive enhancements to make focusing even faster and more reliable in challenging scenarios. 3. High-speed shooting and burst capabilities. For sports and wildlife photographers, the R6 Mark III is rumored to offer 30 frames per second, FPS, burst shooting using the electronic shutter. While there's no word yet on mechanical shutter speed, this fast shooting rate will be a significant advantage for capturing action shots. One crucial factor to consider will be how long the buffer can sustain these speeds before slowing down, something that will determine its real-world usability. Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Video capabilities and improvements. Canon is positioning the R6 Mark III as a true hybrid camera, meaning its video capabilities are expected to be just as strong as its photography performance. 1. 4K 120fps and 6K 30fps recording. The camera is expected to support 4K recording at 120fps for high-quality slow-motion video. Additionally, 6K at 30fps recording is rumored to be included, making it an excellent choice for content creators who need flexibility in resolution and frame rates. The oversampling of 4K from 6K footage should also ensure sharper details and improved dynamic range. 2. Professional-grade video codecs. Canon will likely include XFAVC and XFHVC codecs, the same professional-grade formats found in the EOS R5, ensuring seamless integration into high-end video production workflows. 3. Super 35 mode and cinema features. For filmmakers, the rumored Super 35 crop mode could allow for 4K recording at 60fps with cinema raw light encoding. This will enable professionals to work with high bitrate footage that offers better flexibility in post-production. Canon may include C-Log 2 and C-Log 3 support for improved dynamic range and color grading flexibility. Pre-capture mode and storage options. A pre-capture mode is rumored to be included, allowing photographers to capture moments even before pressing the shutter button. An invaluable feature for sports and wildlife photography. As for storage, the R6 Mark III is expected to feature a CF Express Type B card slot, ensuring fast read and write speeds for high-resolution images and 4K per 6K video recording. However, unlike the Canon EOS R1, which is rumored to have dual CF Express slots, the R6 Mark III will likely have a single card slot, which could be a drawback for professionals who need dual card redundancy. Electronic viewfinder and display. Canon is expected to bring improvements to the electronic viewfinder and LCD screen. The high-resolution OLED EVF will likely offer enhanced clarity and a smoother refresh rate, while the LCD screen is expected to have vari-angle touch functionality, making it easier to frame shots from different angles. Canon's AI-driven image processing is also rumored to fix color accuracy issues, particularly with magenta and green tint concerns seen in previous models. Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Expected price and market positioning. Canon is expected to launch the R6 Mark III at around $2,499, maintaining a competitive price point similar to its predecessor. Currently, the R6 Mark II is priced at around $2,199, occasionally dipping to $1,999 with rebates. In comparison, competing models like the Nikon Z6 II and Sony A7 IV also hover around $2,500, making the R6 Mark III a strong competitor in the mid-range mirrorless camera segment. Final thoughts. Should you wait for the R6 Mark III? The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be an exceptional hybrid camera, perfect for enthusiasts, professionals, and content creators looking for a powerful yet affordable mirrorless camera. With its expected AI-driven autofocus, high-speed burst shooting, and professional-grade video features, it will undoubtedly be a top competitor in the market. But does its arrival mean the end of the EOS R5 Mark II? Not necessarily. The R5 Mark II is still expected to be a powerhouse, possibly featuring a 45MP sensor, 8K recording, and dual CF Express slots, targeting higher-end professionals. However, for those seeking a balanced camera that excels in both stills and video without breaking the bank, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is worth waiting for. This has been Techno Trend Zone, and I'll see you in the next video.